Tired of your emails landing in the spam folder or just not sending at all? I'm going to show you how to set up an SMTP server in Gmail and drastically improve your email deliverability in just a few easy steps. First, open your Gmail account. We need to enable less secure app access, but heads up why Google is phasing this out, so this is a temporary solution. Later, we'll discuss the more secure and recommended method, setting up app passwords. Now, click on your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. A menu will pop up. Select Manage your Google account. You'll be taken to your Google account dashboard. Look for the Security tab on the left-hand side and click on it. Scroll down until you find Less Secure App Access. If you don't see it, it might already be turned off for your account, or you might need to enable two-step verification first. Click on the Turn on Access Not Recommended link. Then, simply toggle the switch to On. Google will warn you about the security risks, so proceed with caution. Now, let's enable IMAP. Go back to your Gmail inbox and click on the gear icon in the top right corner. Select See All Settings. Then, click on the Forwarding and POP IMAP tab. Make sure IMAP is enabled. If it's disabled, select Enable IMAP and then scroll down and click Save Changes. Finally, configure your email client with the following SMTP settings. Server address is smtp.gmail.com. The port is either 465 with SSL or 587 with TLS. Use your full Gmail address as the username and your Gmail password. That's it. You've successfully set up an SMTP server using Gmail. Remember, enabling app passwords for more security is highly recommended. Subscribe for more email tips and tricks.